Hello students, today we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise 3.1. We are in chapter number 3, understanding quadrilateral. Question number 6 says, find the angle measure x in the following figures. It is having 4 figures. In each figure, measure of x we have to find, angle measure of x we have to find. That is where the x is placed, we have to find that angle. Now, in first figure, in A, figure number A, you can see it is having 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. So it is a quadrilateral. So, and for quadrilateral, you know that the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral, which I have discussed, it is 630 degree. Therefore, can I write that measure of angle where x is there plus 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree is equal to 360 degree, because it says so. Now we will add this, so I will get x plus 130 plus 120 is 250, 250 plus 50 is 300. If I take 300 over that side, so it will go there and subtract, so our x we will get as 60 degree. Now solving part B. Here also, if you see, we have 1 side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side, which is bounded by the line segments. So it is quadrilateral. We have to find x, but in previous figure we have got the other 3 angles. Here we don't have 3 angles, we have only 2 angles. We have to find this angle. Let me give it a name as 1. And if you look at properly, you can see this is a line and there is angle forming on it. And when there is a straight line and there are 2 angles forming on it, then the sum of these 2 angles, that is here sum of the 2 angles, that is this is 90 degree already because the symbol says so. So 90 degree plus measure of angle 1, the sum of these 2 is always 180 degree. It must be straight line, then only. Therefore, here we will write, because linear pair angle. This we have studied in 7th standard also. The angles in the linear pair is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Therefore, can I get angle 1? It will be 180 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore, measure of angle 1 will be 90 degree. So I can write this is 90 degree. Now solving the same as the previous question, we will write, we know that the sum of all the angles of the quadrilaterals is 360 degree. Therefore, we will write x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. Why? Because angle sum property of quadrilateral. The above written statement can be written in short like this also. Therefore, x plus 90 plus 60 is 150, 150 plus 70 is 220. 220, if I take that side, it will subtract from 360. Therefore, our x will be 140 degree. So we have solved part A and part B. Now part C, but for that let me draw it first. So I have drawn this figure. Here you can see this given figure is having 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. So we will write like this. Here the given figure is having 5 sides, therefore it is a pentagon. And therefore the sum of all the angles of pentagon, if we have to find the sum of angles of any figure, what is the formula? It is n minus 2 into 180 degree. And what is n? N is here 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So it will be 3 into 180 degree. So angle sum property of pentagon is 540. Now 70 degree plus, if I am giving this angle as 1 and this as 2, you can see 70 plus 1, measure of angle 1, is equal to 180 degree, and angle 2 plus 60 degree will be 180 degree. Why? Because both of them, 4 of them, here 2 and these 2, are standing on a line, and therefore by linear pair angles it will be 180 degree. This we have also studied in 7th standard, so you must be knowing it very well. Angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, so it will give us 110. And angle 2 will be 180 degree minus 60 degree, therefore angle 2 will be 120 degree. Now as we know, sum of all the angles of pentagon is equal to 540, that we have taken right here. So therefore can I write angle 1 plus x plus 30 degree plus x plus angle 2 together will give us 540 degree. Angle 1 we have 110 plus this x and this x will give us 2x plus 30 plus angle 2 is 120 degree is equal to 540 degree. 2x I will keep as it is and I will add these 3. 100, 200, 230 plus 30 will give me 260 is equal to 540 degree. Therefore 2x is equal to 540 minus 260. What it will give? 500 minus 200, 300. 340 minus 40 will give me 300 and 220 again. So it will be 280 degree. You can calculate yourself also. You know it very well how to subtract. Therefore, if I will take 2 in division, it will become 140. 2 ones are and 2 140s are. Therefore, our x is 140 degree. Hope you have understood part C. Now we are moving to part D, but let me first draw it. So I have drawn the figure of part D. It is somewhat which is given in the textbook. If you see properly, all the angles are of measure x, and if you see the symbols of each side are also same. This means the given figure is regular hexagon. So we will write 1 2 3 4 5 sorry regular pentagon. Here the given figure is regular pentagon, and therefore sum of all the angles all the angles of pentagon is equal to 540 degree. Why 540 degree? Because just now we have solved, right? Therefore, can I write x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 540 degree? Why? Because 5 angles, 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore 5x is equal to 540 degree. Therefore x is equal to 540 divided by 5. When I cancel out, it will be 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, 0, and 5 8s are 40. So I will get 108. Therefore x is equal to 108 degree. Hope you have understood this question. You can also divide with long division. We will meet with a new question in new lecture. If you have not understood this question, please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.